Hey Jesse, it's David over here at Epic Auto Sales, and I just want to send you this quick personal video message. That way you can put a face to the name so you know who you're dealing with when you get here. Also want to take a quick walk around of the Chevy Avalanche. That way you see I do have it here on the lot, and you know what to expect when you come to the lot, okay? Here we go. Okay, Jesse, that's the Chevy Avalanche. I hope you liked it. I just want to get you in here, take a look at it in person. So please just give me a call. Let's set up an appointment. You can reach me in the office at 281-955-6555, or you can reach me directly on my cell phone at 713-653-3590. Give me a call, Jesse. Let's set something up. I hope to see you soon. Let's do some business. Thank you.